The perfect blueberry doesn't just happen by chance. It takes years of hard work and scientific research, which I have had the opportunity to experience firsthand during my co-op with Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada. So, let me take you behind the scenes and show you everything that we've been working on for the last 4 months.
Un aplauso pa mami y papi, porque en verdad rompieron.
So, what is genetic breeding? Genetic breeding is the process of increasing genetic gain and market profitability by selecting berry plants with desirable size, color, yield, flavor, or disease resistance. The process starts with controlled pollination. This is where breeders carefully select parent plants and make specific crosses. These crosses then produce thousands of unique seeds which are grown into seedlings and carefully evaluated to see which ones show the most promise. The best of these plants are then propagated and planted into field trials where they are monitored and evaluated over several years. One part of the process I found especially interesting was tissue culture. This starts with a step called initiation, where tiny pieces of plant tissue are sterilized and placed into nutrient-rich media. Once these cultures are established, they can be multiplied to produce healthy, disease-free plants for future research. By the end of my co-op, I realized developing a blueberry isn't something that happens in one season, but it's rather a process that takes years of patience, evaluation, and continuous improvement. One project that quickly became the highlight of my co-op was improving the DNA extraction from our blueberries. Our lab wanted to use fluorescent labels to distinguish between different blueberry genotypes. However, the existing protocol was not producing DNA at the concentrations that we needed. Over time, I tested different approaches and troubleshot each step of this process, and as a result, the modified protocol doubled our DNA concentration and drastically improved our PCR results. Seeing these improvements after weeks of trial and error made this one of the most rewarding parts of my co-op. Before this, I never really thought much about what goes into developing a new blueberry variety. But over the last 4 months, this experience became so much more than just a co-op to me. It gave me the opportunity to challenge myself, contribute to meaningful projects, and work alongside an incredible team of researchers, technicians, and students who were always willing to share their knowledge. Whether I was in the lab, the greenhouse, or out in the field, every day brought something new to learn and a deeper appreciation for the research process. The next time I pick up a carton of blueberries at the grocery store, I won't just see fruit. I'll see years of scientific research, careful berry breeding, and hard work behind every berry.